Raise your hand if you hate looking at your paycheck. You work hard, you see the gross amount, and then, boom, federal tax, Social Security, and on top of that, state income tax. Depending on where you live, the state could be taking up to 13% of your income. That is thousands of dollars a year gone. But did you know there are 9 states in America where the state income tax on your wages is exactly zero? In this video, we are breaking down the 9 states where you keep more of what you earn. Let's get into it. Let's start with the most popular ones, Texas and Florida. Millions of Americans are moving here, and the zero income tax is a huge reason why. In Texas, the Constitution actually forbids a state income tax. However, be careful. Texas makes up for it with higher property taxes. So if you buy a house, you will pay more. Florida relies heavily on sales tax from tourists to keep the lights on, meaning residents get to keep their paychecks tax-free. It's a win-win if you live there. Next, we have Nevada and Tennessee. Nevada is home to Las Vegas. Thanks to all the casinos and tourism revenue, the state doesn't need to tax your wages. Tennessee is interesting. They used to tax investment income, but as of recent years, that is gone too. It is now a completely tax-free state for earners, combined with a very low cost of living. Then we have the northern and nature-heavy states, Washington, Alaska, Wyoming, and South Dakota. Washington state is home to giants like Amazon and Microsoft. They have no income tax, but they do have a high sales tax and gas tax. Alaska is unique. Not only is there no income tax, but the government actually pays you to live there through the permanent fund dividend. Wyoming and South Dakota are some of the most tax-friendly states for businesses and retirees, with very low expenses overall. Finally, number 9 is New Hampshire. Currently, they don't tax your wages, but they do tax interest and dividends. However, this is being phased out completely by 2027. So moving to a no-tax state sounds great, right? But remember to look at the whole picture, like property taxes and sales tax. But if you are tired of seeing your paycheck shrink, maybe it is time to pack your bags. Which of these states would you move to? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more money-saving tips in the USA. Thanks for watching.